Welcome to the Transformations ebook. This is a book about change, but it's a book about fundamental change. And it's a different book than you would think because we don't have a series of steps for change nor a little formula for change. We titled the book Transformations on purpose because we are interested in people transforming their lives to high quality experience in everyday life, high quality relationships, high quality in problem solving, every aspect of human experience we seek to give a starting point for. One of the reasons we're looking at starting points is because we want to examine the meaning of our experiences. You might say we're trying to figure out the meaning of the experiences we experience. And that has to do more with our own quality of heart than anything else. The subtitle of the book is Stories of Our Captivity and Our Deliverance. And that's a foreshadowing, frankly, of stories that we're going to unfold and that we'll ultimately ask you to help provide examples of. And in doing that, we're suggesting that we sometimes live our lives in a way that, we see ourselves as captive in situations, as trapped by the circumstances we're in, instead of having a starting point for being delivered from the very troubles that we wish we could escape. Doesn't mean we have control of everything, but it does mean that we always have a starting point. Joseph Smith said that if we start right, it's very difficult to go wrong. But if we start wrong, it's doubly hard to get right. Those are my words, not exactly his, but that's the thought. When we talk about captivity and deliverance, we're talking about the meaning of our beliefs, commitments, and values. And we're talking about how central a moral sense of being human is to understanding the meaning of our experience. This ebook is a way of inviting people to see and understand what it means to live lives of high quality. And we're going to use a lot of examples and stories from everyday life, as well as stories of more extreme situations. But we don't want you to think that just because we're talking about everyday life that this material, this starting point, that it can't handle the big things. Because we've learned that in human experience, when people get the little things right in everyday life, they're more likely to, number one, avoid a lot of the destructive aspects of life, including addictions like pornography, drug abuse, physical violence, than if they didn't handle the little things. So walk with us through examples that will seem like something you could have experienced last week versus experiences where they're so extreme that you hope you never really have to go through them. But we think we have solutions. You have a starting point for solutions anyway, of many of the circumstances that we will maybe call the psychopathologies of everyday life. Those things in life that don't seem to line up with our hopes, our dreams, those things which seem to confirm certain kind of fears. We're going to walk through all that and show that there are solutions we may not have thought of, precisely because what it means to be human is to be someone who can live in the world in a way without being defeated by the world. So we welcome you to the book. We welcome you to take each chapter at a time when you're going to listen to us, read the material, watch a video, comment on the video, and then see what other comments and questions come to you. We welcome you to the ebook, and we want you to come on this journey.